Article 18 Transitory Provisions. Section 1. The first elections of members of the Congress under this Constitution shall be held on the second Monday of May, 1987. The first local elections shall be held on a date to be determined by the President, which may be simultaneous with the election of the members of the Congress. It shall include the election of all members of the city or municipal councils in the metropolitan Manila area. Section 2. The senators, members of the House of Representatives, and the local officials first elected under this Constitution shall serve until noon of June 30, 1992. Of the senators elected in the elections in 1992, the first 12 obtaining the highest number of votes shall serve for 6 years and the remaining 12 for 3 years. Section 3. All existing laws, decrees, executive orders, proclamations, letters of instructions, and other executive issuances not inconsistent with this Constitution shall remain operative until amended, repealed, or revoked. Section 4. All existing treaties or international agreements which have not been ratified shall not be renewed or extended without the concurrence of at least 2/3 of all the members of the Senate. Section 5. The 6-year term of the incumbent President and Vice President elected in the February 7, 1986 election is, for purposes of synchronization of elections, hereby extended to noon of June 30, 1992. The first regular elections for the President and Vice President under this Constitution shall be held on the second Monday of May, 1992. Section 6. The incumbent President shall continue to exercise legislative powers until the first Congress is convened. Section 7. Until a law is passed, the President may fill by appointment from a list of nominees by the respective sectors, the seats reserved for sectoral representation in paragraph 2, Section 5 of Article V1 of this Constitution. Section 8. Until otherwise provided by the Congress, the President may constitute the Metropolitan Manila Authority to be composed of the heads of all local government units comprising the Metropolitan Manila area. Section 9. A sub-province shall continue to exist and operate until it is converted into a regular province or until its component municipalities are reverted to the mother province. Section 10. All courts existing at the time of the ratification of this Constitution shall continue to exercise their jurisdiction, until otherwise provided by law. The provisions of the existing rules of court, judiciary acts, and procedural laws not inconsistent with this Constitution shall remain operative unless amended or repealed by the Supreme Court or the Congress. This application will let you trade all assets in the market today, which include stocks, crypto, ETFs, indices, forex, commodities, among others. You can also copy the trades of the best traders, which is called social trading or copy trading. Earn rewards. Start by using my affiliate link. I may earn commissions from your registration. Section 11. The incumbent members of the judiciary shall continue in office until they reach the age of 70 years or become incapacitated to discharge the duties of their office or are removed for cause. Section 12. The Supreme Court shall, within 1 year after the ratification of this Constitution, adopt a systematic plan to expedite the decision or resolution of cases or matters pending in the Supreme Court or the lower courts prior to the effectivity of this Constitution. A similar plan shall be adopted for all special courts and quasi-judicial bodies. Section 13. The legal effect of the lapse, before the ratification of this Constitution, of the applicable period for the decision or resolution of the cases or matters submitted for adjudication by the courts, shall be determined by the Supreme Court as soon as practicable. Section 14. The provisions of paragraphs 3 and 4, Section 15 of Article 8 of this Constitution shall apply to cases or matters filed before the ratification of this Constitution, when the applicable period lapses after such ratification. Section 15. The incumbent members of the Civil Service Commission, the Commission on Elections, and the Commission on Audit shall continue in office for 1 year after the ratification of this Constitution, unless they are sooner removed for cause or become incapacitated to discharge the duties of their office or appointed to a new term thereunder. In no case shall any member serve longer than 7 years, including service before the ratification of this Constitution. Section 16. Career civil service employees separated from the service not for cause but as a result of the reorganization pursuant to Proclamation No. 3 dated March 25, 1986 and the reorganization following the ratification of this Constitution shall be entitled to appropriate separation pay and to retirement and other benefits accruing to them under the laws of general application in force at the time of their separation. In lieu thereof, at the option of the employees, they may be considered for employment in the government or in any of its subdivisions, instrumentalities, or agencies, including government-owned or controlled corporations and their subsidiaries. This provision also applies to career officers whose resignation, tendered in line with the existing policy, had been accepted. Section 17. Until the Congress provides otherwise, the President shall receive an annual salary of 300,000 pesos, the Vice President, the President of the Senate, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, 240,000 pesos each, the Senators, the members of the House of Representatives, the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court, and the Chairman of the Constitutional Commissions, 204,000 pesos each, and the members of the Constitutional Commissions, 180,000 pesos each. Section 18. At the earliest possible time, the government shall increase the salary scales of the other officials and employees of the national government. Section 19. All properties, records, equipment, buildings, facilities, and other assets of any office or body abolished or reorganized under Proclamation No. 3 dated March 25, 1986 or this Constitution shall be transferred to the office or body to which its powers, functions, and responsibilities substantially pertain. Earn passive income from sales by promoting product links of Shopee, Lazada, Zalora among others. Just generate the affiliate link and post it in your social media. If someone buy, you will earn commission. Check out the link on the description to get rewards. Shortly.ai is an artificial intelligence website that creates authentic non-fiction articles that can write you articles in just 2 minutes. Use my link to save in cost. See description of this video.